Namaste, Hari Om. Sometime back, I shared a picture of mine at my Instagram and Facebook at the rate Acharya Pratishtaji, having a cup of apple tea in the morning, and then another picture was having a cup of strawberry tea. And I got so many messages from so many people. Acharyaji, please share recipe of this tea. Now generally we go out to market and we take a packet of tea bags mentioned apple tea or strawberry tea. So I'm not sure what all ingredients are there in the packed food or the packed packet, but here I'm going to share the recipe of making fresh apple tea and fresh strawberry tea. And there are amazing benefits of these both kinds of tea. You can prepare it at home. It won't take more than few couple of minutes to prepare it, and it gives you amazing benefits other than losing weight. That's of course one of the most important benefit, because there are so many people who want to lose weight. So let's have a look at the recipe of apple tea and strawberry tea. And if you like this video, share it with your loved ones, because there are so many people who are really addicted to tea and they want to have a substitute for that. Stay healthy, stay happy. If you have any question or any query, do not hesitate to contact us. You can join us at Facebook, Instagram, Who app, share chat at the rate Acharya Pratishtaji, and at Twitter at the rate A Pratishta. Stay healthy, love and blessings for all of you. Hari Om. So here we have half apple cut into very short pieces, and 1 cup of water. So we are going to take this apple and mash it nicely. Now you would be thinking, why can't we mash it in mixer grinder? No, this is the right way to mash it to have the maximum benefit out of it. So this is how it looks like once mashed. And we are going to put this water, 1 cup of water, in a pan, and quantity is 1 cup of water with half apple, mashed apple. So we are going to put it inside the water and let it boil. That's how it looks. And you mix it a little bit so that you get the maximum benefit out of it. And now here you can put a little bit of cinnamon. It's better if you can put cinnamon stick, but since I'm having powdered cinnamon and not the stick right now, so I have mixed pinch of cinnamon in it. Now let it boil properly. So when I say let it boil properly, it means it doesn't mean that you have to wait till water remains half, but at least 1/4. Now it is done. And we are going to pour it in the cup as shown in the video. Yeah, so I think we have boiled it too much in this video. When you do it, make sure it's not boiled that much. So this is how it looks like. This is the color, and it is very, very tasty.